Now, if you want to remove the break line on your Wix website here, so if you have like a text that you want to remove that break line, well, there is a way for you to do this. But first, let's go and just add our text first. So I have this empty section here that I'm going to use. Just going to click on Add Elements. And from here, it's going to choose text, and let's go and choose paragraph here. Let's go and choose this one as an example. Now, from here, as you can see here now, we have this spacing here on our text. And as you can see, whenever I expand or make it smaller, well, by its width, the text would actually adjust to that. But if you want to, like, usually you add like a break line on it, so you just press enter on it, and as you can see, that's the break line that we just saw. We're looking for. Now, to remove that, you just need to do pretty much the same thing but in reverse. So instead of just pressing enter, you want to go to the very first side. So at the left side here, you want to go and just press backspace here to remove that line until you get to the section here. So now whenever you change the width, it will also adjust to the width in here, because by default, if you have like a break line in here, as you can see, it's not going to adjust like what you're looking for. But yeah, so that's how you remove the break line if you have like a paragraph in here. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.